Right, sorry for the resolution in this because it's up to 7.5 times zoom. This thing here, I'll show you my little finger. This is my little finger. This is the point of the tool that I'm going to use to try and push this thing into place. This is the component I'm trying to solder. I've managed to get a little bit of solder onto it, but here comes the tip of the soldering iron. Oh, it's ostensibly clean, but I'll clean it again. And there is solder on there. And I'm looking through the phone screen to see this. Can't get the phone. I can't get the thing to grip it. Hooray! Got a little bit of solder on that side. I'll swap hands now to get the. Actually, I'll do it with the same hand. I'm just going to swap the. Oh, going to be tricky to get the. Solder now and in past this thing here. This connector is quite high, so I'm just got to get past that. Factory new. To clean it. Let's see if I can get a better zoom in on it. That's it there. So it's a little bit wet from the thing, but that's soldered in. I gotta see if it works now.